Hey guys, so today we're riding dirt bikes, ATVs, and mopeds, so let's get it. Right now I'm riding the dirt bike. It's very bumpy. And sorry if the camera's moving, because it's bumpy. I'm gonna ride in this large area right here for a couple minutes before I go to another grassy area. So here's just like a little clip of me riding this. I may switch the vehicles, but right now, so yeah, I'm going to cross right here, go to this area. Okay, it's bumpy here. Okay, I think right here, I'm gonna head back. We could go in this area, but like it takes a little like bump thing and I don't want to drop it. So we're gonna ride a little on here before. There's my sister. Before I'm gonna go here. I don't know where this goes. Shoot. So I'm going to show you guys the other ATVs and stuff. So here they are. That was that. If you guys want to see it better, I can. Oh, I just scratched myself. Okay, let's go up here, and I'm going to show you guys it, and then I'm going to end it. And there's my sister. Say hi. So I'm going to show you the ATVs, and then I'm going to show us a clip of maybe my sister riding it. But I'm having really fun. So here's the blue one, and then here's this ATV. And then let's go to my sister. We're gonna end the vlog with her. And yes, I'm wearing a helmet. Grace! Grace! Grace? You wanna end the vlog with us? So, bye!